Okay, here's two trades I'm in. One's on gold, one's on crude. You can see that gold broke out of the congestion side, this time to the downside. Went back and tested the ATR, did it on diverging volume. That generated an entry. And over on crude, broke out of the congestion to the downside. Went back, tested the ATR, did it on diverging volume, and I entered that trade. So we'll wait and see what happens. On gold, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop down a little. I don't, it actually shouldn't come back and test the ATR now. On crude, we're sitting at 75 on the stop. So on gold right now, I really want to see sellers stepping in. We just made a high in crude that was totally controlled by the sellers. Still not seeing the sellers stepping in on gold. The retracement of the wide bar here was totally expected. That's what happens about 80% of the time, so that's no big thing there. The ATR over on the 45-minute chart is actually sitting at about 1281. So if they don't break that ATR, I'll probably exit everything. And I'm watching it on another screen. So really want to see sellers coming in strong because they need to break a ATR on the 45-minute. Now my profit target, the first profit target is actually above that ATR. Got just a few more ticks to go on gold. The first profit target is 20 ticks. Now I'm immediately going to bring the stop down to break even. If I see any hesitation at this point, I'll exit the remainder of the position. Okay, now they're breaking the ATR over on the 45-minute chart. They really need to come in strong to maintain that. Just in case, I'm going to pull my stop down. They are having trouble at the ATR on the 45-minute. Okay, we're out of gold. And over on crude, I'm going to pull the stop down too. On crude, they've already broken the ATR, but you do have a congestion area right at 93.50. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not risking a full 10 ticks on this, I'm going to pull this up to 92. If I said 92, I meant 52. I'm waiting to see where this bar actually closes because you've got potential divergence there, which means they're going to test for buyers. We got just a few more minutes in crude. I will have to exit that one if it's divergence. I don't have time to sit in the market this morning because I've got a webinar. So just waiting on the bar to finish. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and exit crude at 61. So on crude, I was only able to make about 8 ticks per contract. Still a little bit better than the 1-to-1 ratio. But again, good trades on both crude and gold just because I waited for the congestion to actually be broken, the ATR to be tested. If you notice over here, this is the breakout where they broke out to the upside, it looked like. But when they came back to test that ATR, they did it on increasing volume. and I just waited for them to go back and test the ATR again to make sure that it would hold that time.